Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and attach again main rotating brush for Roborock Q7 Max. So in order to do this, here underneath you will be able to find it. Next is to locate these two levers, push them to each other side, and here simply try removing the cover. Put it on the side, and now simply pick up this rotating brush, clean it, and then to attach it you'll need to get this side first onto the left so it fits nicely like this, and then simply put it so it's straight and it rotates normally. Now take the cover and we'll want to put it this way. Now hold these two again and lock them in place. Make sure that it's locked like this, and now you've just replaced your main rotating brush. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.